Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix cannot verify phone number. This phone number is not available. Please choose a different number. So guys, when you try to log in your Apple ID account and you can see this type of interface while getting as a verification code, then how can you fix this problem? So guys, don't worry, I have got your back. So guys, I will tell you how can you fix this problem. So guys, first of all, simply close this page. Now after that guys, what we need to do, we have to just simply open settings, and from here guys, if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, then connect to a cellular data, and if you are using cellular data, then connect your mobile to Wi-Fi, and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly and there is no connected VPN. And after that, connect with a proper internet and try to log in your Apple ID, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.